Hey everybody, so I'm trying to build these raised garden beds, and of course it got windy as usual, but I kind of wanted to show them during the assembly to give you an idea of how they go together. So let me go ahead and I'll show you the different parts and I'll show you how they go together. All right, so in the box you're going to get these 4 large panels. What you have to do is connect 2 of them together. You're going to use 4 bolts, and the diagram on the sheet will tell you which bolts to go where, and pretty much you're going to skip a couple holes. Those are going to be for the support beams. So you got those 2 panels together, and then you're going to use that little corner piece to connect the side panels with that, and that's going to be 4 bolts for each side. And then you're going to repeat it on that panel for that side, so I still got to do that one, and then I'll show you the support beams after. All right, so once we put it all together, here it is. We got all the 4 sides, and then we got those support beams here in the center. Super easy to do. I'm going to say that this one took me roughly a half hour, but I was also doing some other things at the same time. It could take you about 30 to 45 minutes, I'd say, for this one. But overall, once I put it together, it just seems bigger. All right, so now I got 2 of them put together. We will get this over in the garden. I'll get them filled, and then I'll show you them once they're filled. All right, so we got them built, we got them filled, and here they are. I got to get a couple more bags of mulch and then start planting. But they actually turned out pretty good, 4 foot by 8 feet. They're actually a really good size. And I may even get 4 more for this garden. But if you're looking for a pretty good raised bed, these are pretty easy to put together. And the most work is filling them up.